Hi, welcome to the deliciouso recipes. Today we're gonna cook chicken with broccoli Chinese style. And this is the ingredients we're going to use for today. Broccoli, carrot, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, black pepper, cornstarch, garlic powder, chicken stock, water, cooking oil, and boneless chicken. Okay guys, I cut already the chicken. I cut thinner the meat because the thinner is better for marinade, and we want to achieve the softness because guys, through my observation, when we cut thicker, we can't achieve the tenderness and softness of chicken when we cook. Okay, let's start to prepare and marinate our chicken. And we need to make sure that all ingredients is mixed properly. And now we're gonna prepare our sauce. Okay guys, I use the mincing garlic press to grate the ginger, but you can use also cheese grater. I use mine in garlic press because it's easier to me to use. Okay, we can put the grated ginger and garlic in the sauce now. Okay, while we marinate our meat, let's prepare our vegetable. I just use one whole head of broccoli and cut like this. I use 3 small carrot, but if you use medium carrot, just use 1 carrot. And I cut like this. I use the vegetable peeler to cut the carrot because it's easier, and we just cook the carrot for 1 minute only. That's why I use the vegetable peeler. And of course, you can use the knife. It's up to you guys. You can use the knife or vegetable peeler. You can use whatever you want. There's no rules. That's your kitchen. You are the boss. Okay guys, before I boil the water while I'm preparing the vegetable, and now the water is boiled already, so we can put the broccoli now. And guys, remember, just put the broccoli in the boiled water for only 40 seconds only, because we want the broccoli is crunchy, and just cook evenly halfway only. Okay, our broccoli is ready now and need to take out to this pan. We need to avoid to stay long in the boiled water because the crunchiness it's gonna take away. Okay, now let's start to stir fry our marinated chicken. And we're gonna spread the cooking oil in the whole pot. Guys, just put a little cooking oil, just 2 tablespoons only. And we need to put high heat the stove. And now load the heat of the stove now. Because we don't want the chicken is burnt. We want to achieve the softness and tenderness of the chicken. Guys, the other reason why we put the cornstarch or flour while marinate the chicken, because it's mixed soft and it's kind of slimy. But guys, trust me, this recipe is so good. We just cook the chicken 7 to 8 minutes only, because the chicken we cut very thin. That's why the chicken is cooked very fast. Or if you see the chicken is so soft and white, there's no red, it means the chicken is cooked already. And now we're gonna put the marinated sauce. Okay, now our chicken is tender, so we can put our carrot now and just cook the carrot for only 1 minute because we want our carrot is crunchy. And we're gonna put the broccoli now. Once you put the broccoli, just turn off the heat. We don't need to cook the broccoli because the broccoli is cooked already. We put already in the boiled water, so we want to stay the crunchiness of the broccoli. We just mix the broccoli into the chicken because we want the broccoli to get the taste to our sauce and chicken. Okay guys, let's taste. This is very delicious, very soft and kind of slimy, but very nice. Okay guys, this is our chicken with broccoli Chinese style. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and comment if you like it. Hope you like it guys. Guys, please click bell the button also so you can notify if we have new recipes video. Bye for now.